OSS Ventures, we are two things. We are one, and historically a venture builder, so we build from scratch startups. And we are as well a VC firm. We turned to VC firm last year because we wanted to invest in our homemade startup alongside Taiwan
venture
VC.
studio plus venture arm as well.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And the idea of manufacturing, I guess, is because all the team has a strong courage in the manufacturing space. Our CEO, Renan, worked 8 years at McKinsey in operation excellence in the manufacturing space, was number 3 of operation at Richemont. On my side, I had a past of buyer in Asia.
Okay.
And for us, manufacturing needed to be more digitized. And we have all as well background tech, so we mix best of the both worlds, the pace of the tech and the ground of manufacturing. And what we see now, and it's really interesting, is that manufacturing represents 0.7% of startups now, but already we have 19 unicorns just in Europe, and I don't talk about IPO'd startup in that space in the US.